This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, AP Physics, Homework 7.3, questions 5 and 6. If wind blows at 29.4 meters per second over the roof of your house, what is the pressure difference at the roof between the inside and outside air? Use an air density of 1.29 kilograms per meters cubed. Answer in pascals. So what I have is pressure and velocity on one side, and I've got a pressure and a velocity on the other side, and I want the pressure difference. So this is similar to doing the flow through a pipe, but what I can do is say that my pressure inside plus 1/2 rho the velocity inside squared is going to equal my pressure outside plus 1/2 the density times the velocity outside squared. But inside the house, air is standing still. And if I want the difference in pressure, well, that's going to give me my P1 minus my P2. My difference in pressure is going to equal just the 1/2 rho velocity squared. I've got my velocity, I've got a density, so 1/2 rho v squared will give me my difference in pressure. Question 6 says, an answer in pascals, and that will give me pascals if I give a density. So this is meters per second, kilograms per meters cubed. That's going to give me pascals. Question 6 says, what net force does this pressure difference produce on a roof having an area of 175 meters squared? So now I've got a difference in pressure between the outside of the house, there's my roof, and the inside of the house. The inside of the house and the outside of the house, I'm going to have a difference in pressure. Well, if I want the net force, I know that pressure is the amount of force per the amount of area. So if I want the force, my force is going to be that difference in pressure times the area of the roof. That'll be the net force on the roof, because it's the difference that matters. If I have the same pressure inside and outside, it would equal out. So if I have a little more on the inside than the outside, I'll have a net force, because I do have pressure on the outside, I do have pressure on the inside. It's just the difference that matters.